We are going to do some very energizing Qigong today. So I want you to have a place on the floor. I prefer the bare floor with bare feet. If you have socks, make sure you have something you won't slip on. The preference is bare feet, but it's always based on what you want. So we're going to take the feet out wide. And we're going to do some of this a little bit quicker because it's going to be for movement. So one hand goes to the shoulder, breathe out, exhale, sweep away. Breathe in, inhale, sweep toward, switch arms. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale down the body. Inhale up. One more time. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Down the body and up. And now we're going to bounce on our heels. So bounce. Feel yourself energized, like your eyeballs can jiggle, your wrists, your arms, everything's jiggling, bouncing on your heels. Wonderful. All right, let's get wide again with our feet. Hands up. We're going to just take them down as we bend our knees and see how low you can go. Drag the wrists up. Exhale down. Wrists up. Exhale down. Wrists up. Exhale down. One more time. That's great. Let's do one more energizing Qigong movement. So we're going to pretend like we're hugging a barrel, get round with your arms, have your back be round as though you're holding something, and then open up into butterfly. Push your pelvis forward, arms go back, they lift up, come around. Exhale here. Inhale here, exhale here, inhale here. Go slower for your breath if you need to. And bring that to a close. We're going to have our hands in front now. Feet can be a little closer together. Hands go all the way out, head goes between the hands. We then flip the palms and then pull around to come up, like we're swimming. Swimming and up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Backwards, inhale. Exhale. Backs of the hands come together. Fronts come, inhale in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And now last, let's finish with swimming dragon. We're going to move our hands like this in either direction. Move your hips too. Notice they're following along. Wonderful. Thank you for joining me today. Subscribe for more videos.